Welcome back to Arie Moore's makeup room, where we learn and grow together. Today I am here with a completely different tutorial, guys. Today is all about the lips. We are really starting to dive into some different things in this channel, and I'm super excited. But guys, we are going to be showing you how to achieve this cute everyday blue goddess glitter look using the NYX cosmetic line, guys, and it is amazing. It's simple and easy, guys. You're not going to believe how easy this is. You ready to get into this tutorial? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is go in with our concealer. This is just an all-white concealer from LA Girls Cosmetic, guys, and we're just going to shape our lips as though we're just putting on like a lipstick and use our eyeshadow brush to do this. Once we are done, we're going to go straight into our blue eyeshadow, guys. The blue eyeshadow just created a really nice base for the color, for the lip, to make everything pop and bold. I just love this step, so do not miss it. I am now going to apply it to my bottom lip, guys, just to make sure that everything is nice and seamless in one color. I went over my lips with some Vaseline in the center of my lips just to add that little bit of shine, as well as to be use kind of like a glue for the glitter instead of putting glue on my lips. Now you can put glue. I decided to not do glue, to use Vaseline instead. It works just the same, guys. So now I'm gonna go into my NYX Cosmetics, guys, and we're gonna just use our eyeshadow brush to just kind of place that glitter right onto the lips, guys. And I'm only gonna be applying this to my lower lip. We're gonna leave the top lip alone for another look, for something different. So we're just gonna take our time and pack that color on. We're not trying to dig too much color up at once because glitter can be very, very messy. So I'm just taking my time and placing everything around in the areas that I want them to be in. And just look at that shine. It is super cute, super fresh, guys. It's just so exciting and just really makes your makeup look so different to start the day off, guys. Look at that. Now you guys are going to see me here do something different. I'm going to use my eyelash glue and I'm going to create some small dots. These dots is just for my gems that I'm going to be using, guys. I love me some gems, so why not add them to the lips? It's super fun. Gems just add so much personality to my eyes, to my face, to my lips. I just love them, and I recommend you having some in your drawer for future use, guys. So I have my little pencil, and then I have to grab my mirror because your girl can't see. Like, I can't see when I look straight into the camera. It's just so difficult for me because you know I wear glasses. But I'm just placing those gems right onto that glue, shaping it, getting it in position, baby. And look at that, guys. It really was just easy to do, guys. It's just a little bit, it's honestly, it's not even time consuming. I think it literally took me about 5 minutes to do these lips, guys. Super easy, super fun, very quick. Let's go. So this is the final look, guys. I just want to go ahead and throw my nails into this look, guys. Look at my face, y'all. I cannot wait till my face stop breaking out. That's the power of using new products. Oh goodness, I can't wait to get my skin back. But those lips is ballooning, baby, and right alongside of those beautiful nails, it is just everything. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have not already, do subscribe to the channel. Check out other links down in the bio down below, guys. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.